Presenting Boya ByM1 Omnidirectional Lavalier Condenser Microphone in black. This is an omnidirectional lavalier microphone is designed for smartphones, DSLR, camcorders, audio recorders and PCs. It has a high-quality condenser and an audio cable of 20 feet. This is a small and compact microphone that is easy to clip and perfect for video use. It is perfect for video use with Omni pickup pattern for full 360-degree coverage, super sound for presentations and video audio recorders. It has easy to use on and off buttons. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.